Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sri Ram Devarajan. In this video, I am going to discuss example 23 from chapter 3 matrices for CBSE class 12 mathematics students. Example 23 given as by using elementary operation find the inverse of the matrix A. What is A? 1 2 2 minus 1. With the elementary operation, we have to find inverse of A. Inverse of A means A power minus 1. Here order of A is 2 cross 2. Solution. Since A can be written as I into A. What is A here? 1 2 2 minus 1. This is LHS. RHS I. Here I is identity matrix. Here order of A is 2 cross 2. Therefore I is 1 0 0 1 into A. What is A? 1 2 2 minus 1. Equation 1. With the help of elementary operation, we have to find inverse of A. See one result. The result is I equal to A inverse A. I am going to convert this matrix into the form of I, where I is nothing but 1 0 0 1. Once you convert this LHS in the form of 1 0 0 1, which is equivalent to this part A inverse, this part nothing our A. If we compare this part with this one, we have to convert LHS into I, that is 1 0 0 1. This part 1 0 0 1 we have to convert in the form of A inverse. See here 1 2 2 minus 1, which is our A. Here also we have A. We have to convert LHS in the form of 1 0 0 1. That's all. By using elementary operation. See here 1. Here also 1. There is no change in first row, first column, but here we have to make this 2 into 0. For that purpose, first elementary operation, we are going to convert row 2, that row 2 as R2 minus 2R1. Why I am multiplying R1 with 2? Because we have here 2. What is R2? 2 minus 1. Minus of 2 times, what is R1? 1 2. 2 minus 1 multiple with minus 2 with 1 2. Minus of 2 4. See here 2, here 2. If you subtract 0, minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. Therefore, LHS 1 2. What about denominator? 0, not denominator, second row 0 minus 5. What we have done in the LHS, the same way we have to done also in the RHS for this part, which is equal to 1 0. Here also R2, what is R2? 0 1 minus 2 times R1, 1 0. 0 1 minus of 2 0. If we simplify 0 minus 2, minus 2. One minus 0, 1. This is for RHS. This is for LHS. Therefore, first row as it is, second row the value is minus 2, 1. What is A? 1, 2, 2 minus 1. See, here 1, here also 1, here 0, here 0. Now, here we must have 1, but here we have minus 5. Now, the elementary operation R2 divide R2 by minus 5. What is R2? LHS 0 minus 5. Divide by minus 5. 0 by minus 5, 0. Minus 5 minus 5, 1. This is for LHS part. Do the same thing for RHS part. For RHS, R2, divide the row R2 by minus 5. Here we have minus 2 by minus 5, 1 by minus 5. Minus minus cancel. 2 by 5 minus of 1 by 5. Therefore, LHS now becomes 1, 2, 0, 1, which is equal to 1, 0, 2 by 5, here minus of 1 by 5. What is A? 1, 2, 2 minus 1. Now, here 1 okay, here 0 okay, here 1 okay. Now, make these two to be 0. For that one, next elementary operation R1 minus 2R2. See, this 2 is in first row. Here 1 is below 2. So, our elementary operation for the row 1, because we have to change this to in the form of 0. Therefore, convert the row 1, that is row 1 minus, I am going to use this 1. For 1, I am multiple with the 2. That 1 is in second row. 2 times R2. What is R1? 1, 2 minus 2 times R2, 0, 1. 1, 2 minus of 0, 2. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. This is for LHS. Same thing for RHS. Here R1, I am going to use R1 minus of 2 times R2. What is R1 in RHS? 1, 0 minus of 2 times R2. 2 by 5 minus of 1 by 5. 1, 0 minus of 4 by 5 2 into minus of 1 by 5. into 2 4 by 5, 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 1 by 5, minus of 2 by 5. Therefore 1 minus 4 by 5, 0 minus of minus 2 by 5, 5 minus 4, 1 by 5, 2 by 5. This is for R1 RHS. This is for LHS. Therefore, first row now becomes 1 0 0 1. What about RHS? This part, first row 1 0 now becomes 1 by 5, 2 by 5 first row, second row as it is 2 by 5 minus of 1 by 5 into A. What is A? 1 2 2 minus 1. This is in the form of I, which is equal to A inverse A. We are getting I equal to A inverse A. This is I, this is A inverse, this is A. At last we convert the LHS